What, Macha, has the choking begun? Have you started the habit of the chokes?
This is just a way to help other teams that are not performing that well, to give them that ending like, acha, okay bro, here's the trophy.
Just a habit.
Okay.
I've seen
It's
this
okay.
story before. I've played these games before.
Your entire season was this game
That's
only.
fine, I am totally fine. Nothing you can say can hurt me right now, because see, we're out of it's like punching a dead body. All my purpose here on this earth for the next 10 days is to just be a hater for you, bro. And oh my god, today was sweet. It was a delicious. We were in Mumbai and I was just like, I wasn't feeling myself in the morning, but today I am feeling it, brother.
I was so happy in the morning. And now I don't want to. Like,
how you went from a guaranteed top 2 finish to who knows?
I think it's fine. Just stop playing pickleball and focus on match. Honestly speaking, tail end, instead of trying to hit the ball for absolutely no runs, at least defend, don't go all out. Net run rate would have been better.
Bro, that Krunal Pandya hit wicket at the end is the perfect summary of what is going to happen in the next 2 games, bro. Oh my god, see, I'll tell you exactly what the script is, okay? Obviously, next game you're gonna lose. You'll get to eliminator, fine, okay? But what can you imagine RCB winning eliminator, qualifier, and then final? There's no way you can win 3 pressure games in a row.
It's gonna happen.
I know you know this also.
No.
I know you. That's why you're sad. Otherwise, you wouldn't care, bro, because you've qualified.
Bro, I'm sad every game. Even if we were on top and it didn't affect and we lost, I would still be sad. That's how much I love RCB.
I know. I know you know that you need that qualifier match and not the eliminator.
Of course, every team wants that.
Yeah,
And
there's no way you can win the cup if you are in that eliminator match.
I feel like we still have it. It's not, everything's not gone. I just feel like it's completely okay. We just need to focus and we got
and
the next
Delulu
match.
is the Salulu, guys.
CSK fans, no brains only nowadays.
No cup only.
Yeah. Apart from that, I feel like we can just come back. This is nothing too crazy that we have not done before. Honestly, it's something that we have not done before.
God.
One game, da.
Yeah.
One game. Okay.
I know you are in more tension than me right now, bro.
Macha, you have lesser wins than the number of losses we have.
That's fine.
What?
Bottom of the table, say it, bro. Whistle podu, chalbelodu. It doesn't matter. It doesn't hurt me anymore, bro. All these things are empty threats. But this is such a beautiful position to be in. A position of just nonchalance.
If DC beats Punjab, MI beats Punjab, and RCB wins the next game,
Bring out the
it'll be
calculator. Bring out the
easily, we
calculators.
can beat top 2 and then we can win this.
Okay.
It's completely okay and we still have
Calculate
this
net run rate.
We still have this.
It's happening again, guys.
Honestly, there was a captaincy change. There were a lot of things that are happening. Hazelwood didn't play, bro. If Hazelwood comes into play, it's just a different game. It's completely okay. Yeah, we're just gonna wait for Hazelwood to come back and it'll be sorted. So fucking annoying. I can't wait for your haircut.
You can't beat a man when he's at rock bottom. Royal Chokers Bangalore has a beautiful ring to it.
We got this.
Nothing you got. Dusty ass trophy cabinet.